Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to bring you this natural glowy dewy makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It's like really soft and pretty glam. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow all my social media links, and also actually comment down below what you guys want to see next from me, like what videos you want to see. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna do a natural glowy makeup tutorial today. Today is Valentine's Day. I already have a Valentine's look. Oh sorry, don't mind my nails. Like I did them myself, but like these are kind of gone, ironically. Like it just popped off, so like yeah, just don't mind them. And I'm gonna start off with a Benefit Professional just to prime my face, and I'm just gonna put this like my T-zone area. And these are lash extensions, like I did them myself also. As you can tell, like I try to do a lot of DIY things just to save money in college. Like try to do my hair, my makeup, my lashes, and everything. So you know, I can be a baddie on a budget. So yeah, I have tutorials on like how I do my lashes, but I'm gonna do an updated tutorial on how I do these type of lashes because these are different. These are almost like the lash type extension things, and I might have an updated tutorial soon on like how I lay my frontal when I like really get to know how to really do it, and like how to do my nails too. But like I'll eventually show y'all how I do it. I don't know if this is like a gang sign, I hope it's not, but like you know, I'll show you guys how I do my nails. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this one is in Cocoa. And I noticed that this is like really, first I don't use a lot of this, I only use a little bit because it's gonna be like a natural look. So yeah, like this much, not a lot of foundation at all, but yeah, I noticed that this one is like a really dewy like type of look. So yeah, I like this foundation a lot. And I'm gonna go in and blend out my Morphe brush, and this is the Morphe M439 brush. So I always use this brush. Sorry if you guys can hear like noise, it's like always, like they're always screaming. Especially when I'm starting to film, like I don't know why. This is a little dark actually, this is a little dark for me because winter right now. So even though I'm in California, it's still raining and stuff, so I don't really get a lot of sun, so it's winter. Next I'm gonna go in with my NARS Radiant Concealer, and this one is an Amande, and go in with a little bit. Like I really don't really have much of this left, so I'll be trying to make it work because I like this concealer a lot. We're just gonna put a little here, and then we're just gonna go in and blend it out. Blending it out with the same foundation brush is like gonna help it look more seamless. So that's what I do around my mouth. And since this is a natural look, it's not like really full coverage. This is just kind of like, I don't know, like covering up a little bit, you know, so you can still look dewy and glowy. Then I'm gonna go in and with my Laura Mercier powder and the translucent one, and I'm just gonna go in and dab a little bit. You guys, like this powder is like honestly the best one. Like I tried some other ones, but I haven't found like a good one. So this is what I'm gonna keep using because it's so good. Like it's the best one so far. But I don't want a lot of powder, so I'm just gonna use a little bit. And now so my eyes won't seem so naked, I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance Pressed Powder, and this is in Black Coffee. And I'm just going to go in and take a blending brush and like just put this like in my crease. And then I'm going with that same powder and like just contour my nose a little bit. asked you on Instagram like what kind of piercings I should get, and like a lot of people were saying nose piercing, so I don't know. But I feel like I told y'all I feel like my nose is big, so I don't know if I want to really get a nose piercing to make it stand out more, but a little dot maybe. I don't know. Now I'm gonna go in with this little fluffy brush and then use the same powder to like contour a little. I'm gonna take our MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. It's a long name, but I'm gonna like coat my bottom lashes. Okay, now I'm gonna go with my Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony and this little Ruby Kisses brush to do my eyebrows. So first I just comb them out like that, and then I take a little bit of product because this product is like really kind of, you can go a long way. And I first like do hair-like strokes, front, and then carve them out. Then I'm gonna go on my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one's in Chestnut, and I'm gonna take this little concealer brush by Morphe, and this doesn't have a number or anything or name, so I'm just gonna come and carve out my eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with my clear brow gel, and I'm gonna like basically fluff these. Ooh, where is this? But basically like apply this to fluff them out like a little bit more and like to set them in place. Okay, to get this really glowy look, I'm gonna use this NYX Bright Idea stick, and this one is in Sunkissed Glow actually. Oh no, Sunkissed Crush, and I just apply this like to all the places where I would highlight. And let it sit for a little bit, and then you're gonna blend it in. Looks pretty crazy right now, but that's what you do. And I'm gonna take my NYX Master Chrome highlighter and I'm gonna apply this to my inner corner. Now we're going to go in and blend out the highlighter. And to really go, we're going to go on top of that with the Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow Highlighter. And this one's just so pretty. Like, I don't know. It's just like untouchably pretty. So I'm using this Morphe M510 brush. And we're going to glow, glow, glow. Okay, so we're going to use this not NYX. It's in the NK Lip Pencil in Coffee. I'm going to outline my lips with this one. Then I'm going to take this NK lip gloss, the clear lip gloss, like from the beauty supply store, and apply this. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished look. This is all like a really glowy, natural, dewy makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm sorry my hair doesn't really like look that well right now. I'm just like wrapped up into this thing, this little bun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, a comment, and subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.